Okay, first thing we want to do is locate some of the components here. This is where your oil filter is. This is where your oil fill plug is, right up here. And on the other side is where your dipstick is. Here's your drain plug, right here. The first thing we want to do is get this engine up. And break that drain plug. Then get ready with our funnel. This is a messy job, so. There's a drain plug there. I think the guy gave me the wrong washer. Well, we'll see. Drain plug with washer. Now what I want to do here is put this funnel up here. Okay. Now we got that tape down there. Let's lower the engine down. And she should start draining. Didn't work out that way. Well, that's the idea of it. Yep. Need a bigger funnel. This is draining. Lower it down a little bit more.
Somebody or yourself? Oh, jeez. That's a big trap net.
Yes. That's the way it should flow. Okay, remove the old filter. This is untied, you need a wrench. You can do it with your hand if you're lucky. It's going to be another mess here. So let's put a rag down in here. I don't know why they do this on these. They can't devise a better way of doing this. Do that. Put some fresh oil. I'm going to put some fresh oil around here. Nice new fresh oil. Okay. Screw it on hand tight. Make sure it's got a good snug fit. And that's that. Now up here, it's your drain plug. I need your fill plug or fill cap. Take that off. And put your oil in. Okay. After you let that drain completely, it's just a little bit of left over here. Change out your drain plug washer and reinstall that. Make sure you don't cross the threads. It's very easy to do. And then put your oil in at that cap that I just took off. Okay, gonna raise the motor back up. Put this drain plug in. Make sure you seat that washer on there. See a little drain plug washer right there, the copper washer. Make sure that gets refitted with a new one. In this case, the guy gave me the wrong one, so I'm going to use the old one. Usually you can get 2 or 3 out of a washer, but we'll see. Whatever you do, don't cross thread this bugger. Make sure you got a good bite on there. You got a good feel for it. Threads are nice and easy. Shouldn't be difficult. Okay. Now finish it off with a wrench. Okay, get your funnel, pour your oil in. Manual says 5.5. I start at 5 and then add as you need it. Sometimes you can overfill it.